Hi everyone, it's Antoinette, Antoinette's Italian Kitchen. If you like Ceci beans, this is the place to be. Pasta e Ceci. And we're going to basically make a Ceci stew. And the way we're going to do it is I'm heating up the olive oil, okay? I have all my ingredients here. And we're going to put the onions in first because that's what needs to be cooked first, are the onions. We're going to graciously cook these and they're going to smell so good. Oh my God. We're going to brown them. It takes about a few minutes to get these nice and soft. Going to add some more olive oil. And again, you know, my recipe is going to be listed below. Don't forget that. I want you to follow the recipe. You're going to love it. It's such a comfort food. It's something that if you come home and you need a meal on the table in 15, 20 minutes, this is the way to go. The Ceci beans give you so much protein. There's pasta. It's comforting. It's so delicious. And we're going to add some fresh garlic. Okay. The mixture of those two are great together. We want to see how that goes. All right. Then we're going to add a little bit of hot pepper if you like it. Depends on how much your family loves hot pepper. Some rosemary. Nice herbal flavor. And the secret to this is, what we're going to do is we're going to put the Ceci beans in, okay? Now, when we put the Ceci beans in, we're going to put half of them in first, and we're going to mash them. So it's going to make sort of like a creamier substance. So we're going to mash them up. And at the same time, it's great because you get to mash your onions and your garlic, and all the ingredients kind of get married together, which is so great. The flavor, oh, it smells so good. I wish you were here right next to me to smell this and to feel how good this is and how hearty. Okay? And of course, whoops, I love my tool. Love my tool. Pressing a little bit too hard, aren't I? We'll fix that. Hey, it's my kitchen. It's natural. It's normal. Okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the paste. This gives it flavor. Okay? We're going to add the rest of the Ceci beans. I get a little bit, when I'm cooking, I get really involved and very emotional. I love to cook. And this was an old-time family recipe. Then we're going to add the broth.